Hello everyone.
Today we are going to talk about loop.
Repetitive tasks done by the MATLAB.
There are two types of loop. One is for loop and another is while loop. First of all, let's talk about the for loop. Open the editor window. Let's make the function. Initialize the value. Keep the loop. Total equal to total plus I. Then in the function printf total sum of 2 percentage d each goes to d. Then keep the total. Okay, then let's save the function. Then save the function. Then call the function first. Sum of I. Okay. Then let's go to editor window. Here we first initialize the value. Then we run the for loop. This is the for loop, and we have the condition. Then first I equal to 1, then up to n. First I initialize the value with 1, then takes the value 2, 3, 4, 5 up to n number. Then first total is equal to 0 and 0 is plus 1. Oh, first value is 1, 0 plus 1 is equal to 1, this, then 2, then 3, like that. Then it prints the value. This is the control statement. As you can see, this is the control statement and this is the body, and whole is called loop. We first initialize the value, then add n equal to n to total, and n repeat the value by taking the n 1 to 5 or other number. As you can see, first n is equal to 1. As you can see, we need to get the breakpoint. Then let's run the function sum. Okay, first n equal to 5 and total equal to 0. Then here we can see total equal to 0 and I equal to 1. First I takes the value 1, then total equal to 1. 0 plus 1 equal to 1. Then again I takes the value 2 and n becomes 3. Again n becomes 3, I becomes 3, then total becomes 6, like that. And I takes the value 4. Again n becomes 10. Again I takes the value 5 and total becomes 15, like that. So we use for loop for the certain condition. We have known the how many iteration will be there. For loop is for non-iteration. If we don't know how much iteration will be there to satisfy the condition, we will not use for loop. Let's try another function, sum of 10. Okay, then let's not run this. Then enter the continue. Okay, then it will be 55, like that. First it equal to 1, 3, 6, 10, like that. Let's give the another function
using the for loop.
function asterisk n for equal to 1 to n again for equal to 1 to then print in the function then in the function. Okay, then run the function, clear the window, then run the function steri asterisk up to 5. Then it will print out first 1, takes the takes the value 1, and then n takes the 1 to 1, that is only 1, then 2, then 3, then 5, up to 5. Let's change up to 10. Then it makes like that. Now let's go for loop. As you can see that in figure, first for loop takes the control statement. If the control statement is true, then it runs the function. If control statement is wrong, then it continue without entering to the while loop. To run the while loop, we need to give a condition which is valid, and the variable within the body of while loop must be changing, otherwise it will run forever. Let's check the function. So while loop works well when we don't know the number of iteration. It runs
Until it is out of the control statement. If the control statement is incorrect.
let's run the function. To equal to number up to 15. Okay, let's first this is the while loop. If the condition is valid, if the first total is 0 and limit is 15, so first first n is equal to n plus 0, that gives the value 1, and total n is equal to n, where n is equal to less than 15. When the total is, when total will be greater than 15, then it will exit the loop. Okay, when total is equal to 15, it will exit the loop. N equal to 6, it runs for n equal to 6 and total n equal to 21. Then total 21 is equal to greater than 15, so it exits the loop. First it run, let's see, total becomes 6, total becomes 15, then it is equal to 15 limit, so it again runs, then a total becomes 6 plus 15 equal 21, then the condition is not satisfied, so while loop
Exit. Keep in mind we use while loop only when
iteration are not fixed, so we use the condition. Within the while loop, the variable must be decreasing or increasing, like that. So the while loop never runs on
infinite loop.
otherwise while loop runs on infinite loop.
While loop keeps checking the condition and executing the body over and over again until the condition becomes false.
Like 21 is greater than 15. So thank you everyone for today.